Good morning.
Good morning to all my babies.
Oh,
Start from the day. Will tell which day is
Saratoga
today. Yes. Adrika, which date is today? Yes, Adrika, unmute your device.
Tuesday.
Yes, Tuesday. And the date is, which date is today?
6.
6
6th
July.
July.
Very good, very good. Now, shall we start prayer? Join your hands. Very good. Join your hands. Be muted. Start Gayatri month. Aram, join your hands. Start Gayatri month. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo yo na prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo yo na prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Om. Say thanks to God. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that fly. Thank you, God, for everything. Very good. Very good, all my babies. Now stand up for the exercise. Stand up, all of you. Yes, stand up. Yes, very good. Yes. Sarthak, stand up. Yes, profile name is Natik. Video is not coming. Yes. Now start from head exercise. Everyone, head up, head down. Head up, head down. Yes, left, right, left, right. Yes, very good. Very good. Now change Charvi. One hand up and bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, very good. Now change. Do like this and twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good, Divanshi. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, very good. Hand should be straight. Moving. Very good. Opposite side. Very good, Adrika. Samit Raj. Avleen, very good. Now change. Touch your shoulders. Moving. Very good, Shambhavi. Avni, Aryanshi. Opposite side. Yes, very good. Now change. Make a punch. Make a punch. Yes, very good, Aram. Divyanshi, Shambhavi, Ravya, make a punch. And hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, very good. Very nice. Very good. Now open your legs. Open your legs and touch your toes. 1. Yes, do it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, very good. Clap yourself. Very good. You're doing very nicely. Yes, sit down and take a sip of water. Yes, over to you, Manmeet ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Yes, my babies, good morning. How are you all? Yes, good morning, Aram, Adrika,
Good
Samiksha.
morning, ma'am. I am
Yes,
fine. How are you?
I am fine too, Beta ji. Yes, good morning, Charvi, Devyanshi, Shambhavi,
morning.
Ravya, Sarthak, Avni, Avleen, Aryanshi, Ritika Vahi. Good morning to every. Yes. Good morning, Devyanshi Vita. Good morning to all my babies. Yes. Now, after drinking your water, you need to take out your maths notebook first.
Ma'am, how are you?
I am fine, thank you, baby. Yes, my babies need to take out. Yes, yes, Shambhavi, thank you so much. Now, please take out your maths notebook. Yes, everyone, you need to mute your device first. All my babies, you need to mute the device. Yes. Yes, Amish, you need to mute the device, beta. Okay. So what are we going to do in maths? We are going to do what comes between. We are going to do what comes between. Between का क्या मतलब होता है? Yes, who will tell? Yes, Devyanshi, between का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा?
बीच में.
Yes, बीच में, है ना? Very good. So we are doing the revision of what comes between. We are doing the topic of what comes between. Yes, one by one I will be asking everyone. ठीक है? मैं सबके पास one by one आऊंगी. Nobody will unmute and tell ma'am. Okay, I'll start with Aram. Aram, yes. Ma'am has written the questions on the board. What comes between 9 and 11?
9 and 11 के बीच में क्या आएगा?
And then 11, 12, 10.
हाँ, क्या आएगा?
10.
Very good. So I will write here 10. Very good, Aram. Now next question is for Samiksh Raj. Yes, Samiksh. What comes between 16 and 18? Yes, 16 and 18. 17. Very good. 1, 7, 17. Very good, Samiksh Raj. Now my question is for Charvi. Yes, Charvi, what comes between 30 and 32?
31.
Very good, very nice. 31. Very good. Now next question is for Devyanshi. Yes, Divyanshi, what comes between 24 and 26?
बोलो.
25.
Very nice. 25. Very good. Now, next question is for Ravya. Ravya, beta, what comes between 17 and 19? 18. Yes. 1, 8, 18. Yes, everyone, you need to copy this 5 first in your notebooks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, everyone, copy these 5 questions in your notebook. Yes, what are we doing? We are doing what comes between, है ना? Beach में. So you need to copy these 5, then we will move to next 5 more. Very nice. I can see everyone is doing very nice. Yes, very good. Everyone note down.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta ji.
क्या करा रही मैडम?
Oh.
Yes, my babies are noting it down. Yes, everyone has noted it down.
I have done, ma'am.
Very good, Devyanshi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, beta ji. Okay. Now, next question.
I'm done.
फिर बता दीजिए.
फिर से बता दीजिए.
Yes. Yes, Avleen.
I'm done.
Yes, okay. Very good. You have done. Let's wait for your friends. Yes, we are doing what comes between. ठीक है? हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम what? Yes, Shambhavi.
I have done.
Okay, beta. Okay. So we are doing what comes between, right? Now, next question is for Sarthak. Yes, Sarthak. The next question is for you.
44.
Yes, Devyanshi, you will not speak, beta. 44 is right. Your turn has. ये आपकी टर्न हो गई ना बेटा. लेट्स वेट फॉर योर फ्रेंड्स. अब आपके फ्रेंड्स की टर्न है. आपकी टर्न हो गई है ना. अब आपके फ्रेंड से भी तो पूछ लेना कि आपके फ्रेंड्स को आता है कि नहीं, है ना. यस. नाउ नेक्स्ट टर्न इज फॉर शांभवी. यस शांभवी, व्हाट विल कम बिटवीन 43 एंड 45?
44.
Very good. Yes. Now Sarthak will tell. Sarthak, what will come between 21 and 23? Sarthak. Sarthak, unmute your device. 20,
23. 22.
22. Yes. Now next turn is for Avni. Avni beta, what will come between 42 and 44?
हाँ
43.
मैम को बोलो ना.
43.
Very nice, Avni. Yes. Now Aryanshi will tell. Aryanshi, what will come between 46 and 48?
45.
Beta,
47.
46 and 48.
49.
Yes,
47.
49. 46 and 48 के बीच में बेटा 47.
7.
Yes. Now Ritika will tell. Ritika, what will come between 48 and 50? Ritika Wahi.
48, 49.
Yes, 49. Yes, very good. Very good. Yes. Note down next 5, baby. Everyone, you need to note down next 5. Yes, Avni, very nice.
मैम मेरा टर्न नहीं आया.
बेटा अभी आएगा. Let's wait. अभी आपका टर्न आएगा. Everyone will get a turn. Yes. Everyone will get a turn. Adrika, don't worry. You will get a turn. Yes, you need to note down next 5 जो मैम ने right hand side पे लिखे हुए हैं. Everyone, you need to note down that. Yes, now Adrika, it is your turn, beta. Adrika, what will come between 54, 52 and 54?
53.
Very nice, Adrika. Now next turn is for Shivai. Shivai, what will come between 56 and 58?
6 के बाद क्या है जल्दी बताओ. 6 के बाद क्या आता है?
57.
Yes, 57.
क्या
Now,
56 के बाद?
now Avleen will tell. Avleen, what will come between 60 and 62? Yes, very nice. Avleen, जोर से बोलो.
61.
Yes, very nice. 61. Yes, Yashika Jaggi, are you there, beta ji? Yes, and what will come between 64 and 66? कौन मैम को बताएगा? 64 and 66 के बीच में क्या आएगा? 64 and
65.
yes, 65. Very nice. My babies are doing an excellent job. आप सबको आता है what comes in between. Very nice. Yes, note down these 4. Everyone, you need to note down these 4 in your notebooks. Very good, everyone. Very nice. Yes, you need to note down, everyone, note down in your notebooks what comes between. We have done today what comes between. Yes, Sarthak, are you noting it down? Yes, everyone will note down in their notebooks. Yes. Avleen, Shivaya, have you done? Have you completed?
Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
I have done.
Very good. Let's wait for your friends to complete. Let's wait for your friends to complete. And जिन बेबीज का हो गया ना, वो one plain sheet of a paper निकाल लो. Yes, very nice Shambhavi. जिन बेबीज का हो गया, they need to take out one plain sheet of a paper. Yes, after completing this work, you need to take out any plain sheet of a paper and we will do some drawing. Yes, I hope everyone has noted it down. Yes, very nice. Yes, beta. Very good, Samiksha. Very nice, Aram. Yes, Samiksha. Very nice.
मेरा भी नहीं हुआ है.
आपका नहीं हुआ है बेटा, कर लो आप. ठीक है, आप कर लो.
मैम आई डन.
Yes, very nice. Now take out plain sheet of a paper. Those who have completed, they can take out any plain sheet of a paper.
नहीं मैं आपको कितनी बार बताऊं मुझे.
Yes, everyone has got plain sheet of a paper. Yes, very nice, Shambhavi. Okay, now who will tell ma'am? कल हमने करा था ना 500 का प्लांट, है ना? हमने 500 का प्लांट करे थे. Now today we are going to make a drawing that is, में हम ऐसी कोई चीज बनाएंगे जो प्लांट से बनती है. We will make one thing that is made up of plant, है ना? So जो हमारा पेपर होता है, हमारी नोटबुक्स होती हैं, वो प्लांट से बनती है ना, ट्रीज से बनती हैं. हमारी जो नोटबुक्स होती हैं वो ट्रीज से बनती हैं. Yes, Samiksha, have you completed? Shall I rub the board? Okay. Yes. So I was saying, जो हमारा पेपर होता है, जो हमारी नोटबुक्स होती है जिसपे हम राइट करते हैं, that is made up from trees, है ना? प्लांट से हमें मिलता है वो पेपर, है ना? So today we will draw a notepad. We will draw a notepad. वो हमें प्लांट से मिलता है ना, हम जो पेपर में लिखते हैं, that is made up of plant, trees से मिलता है हमें. So we need to make notepad in our notebooks. Yes, everyone, look at the board how we will do this. We will make one slanting line like this. Everyone make a slanting line. And one slanting line again. And join with a sleeping line like this. Yes, very nice, everyone. And now make zigzag lines in it. Yes, very good. Everyone is doing very nice. Very good. Very nice. Now we will make opposite C. अब हमने बस यहाँ पे opposite C बनाना है. Okay. This is spiral. Spiral of the notepad. Right? अब हम इस नोटपैड पे लिखेंगे कैसे? पेंसिल से लिखेंगे ना? So we will draw one pencil also. We will draw one pencil also. Yes, very good. Very good, everyone. Very nice.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very good. Very good, Ritika. Very good, Shambhavi.
Done.
Very good, Charvi. Very nice. Yes, Aram, have you done? Yes, very good. Those who have done can show.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Avni. Beautiful. Aryanshi, very nice.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, Rabia, very good. Ritika, very good. Yes, Shivai, Avleen. Yes, Adrika, very nice. Very good. All my babies have a very nice drawing. आपकी तो drawing बहुत अच्छी है. सारी babies की drawing बहुत अच्छी है ना?
मैम मेरा हो गया मैम आई हैव डन मैम.
Very good, very good. हमने पेपर तो बना लिया है ना? पेपर हमने बना लिया. अब आपको पता है और क्या बनता है? और क्या मिलता है? हमें प्लांट्स और ट्रीज से और क्या मिलता है? वुड मिलती है ना? हमें वुड भी मिलती है प्लांट और ट्रीज से. और वुड का क्या क्या बनता है? वुड का क्या क्या बनता है? हु विल टेल? जिसपे हम बैठते हैं, टेबल, चेयर्स, है ना? हम सबके घर पे ना, we have it in our home, so we will make one chair also. Okay, that is also made from plants, that is also we get from trees, so we will make one chair also, right? Chair banani bahut easy hai. Make one standing line and one more standing line. Everyone, you need to make one standing line along with more one standing line.
Ma'am, please move your camera.
Just a second. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yes, one standing line and one more standing line. And on another side also, two standing lines. Two standing lines on one side and two standing lines on another side. And joined with the sleeping line. And joined with the sleeping line. Yes. After that, we will make two sleeping lines like this. And two sleeping lines like this.
चेयर बनाना हो चेयर
मैं चेयर ही तो
उल्टी के दिन कैसे बनाना
Yes, after that we will make one more sleeping line and join it like this. Yes? And make a slanting line on both sides and join it with a sleeping line. Standing line or sleeping line को जोड़ के we are making a chair only with the help of standing lines and sleeping lines. Right? After that, we will make two standing lines like this and two standing lines like this. And on the right side also same. Two standing lines like this and two standing lines like this. And we are done. And we are done. हमने क्या बना लिया? Chair. We have only used standing lines and sleeping lines and we have made a chair. Yes, Avni, are you making it? Yes. We can use scale also. If you want, you can use scale also.
ये वाली देखो जो मैम ने बनाई है ना, ये वाली थोड़ी सी
That's very nice.
ये वाली थोड़ी सी छोटी बनाएगी, ठीक है? जैसे
So what we have made today, we have
done.
yes, very beautiful, Avni. Very nice. Very nice. You can color this also, Avni. आप color करना start कर सकते हो. Those who have completed can color it. Very good. Karthik, have you done? Can I see your drawing? Aryanshi has done. Those who have completed can start coloring. Yes, very nice, Ritika. Very good, Ravya. Beautiful. Start coloring your drawing. Yes, Adrika, very nice. Very good. Yes, everyone start coloring your drawing. So what have we made today? हमने आज no. Yes, very good. We have made notepad and we have made a chair. Yes. Yes, very nice, Devyanshi. Start coloring. Very good. I can see everyone is coloring. Very nice. So these are the things that we get from trees. हमें wood मिलती है ना trees से. So we have made chair because chair are made up of wood. Chair wood की भी बनती है, plastic की भी बनती है ना? But हमने wood वाली chair बनाई है because wood we get from the trees, plants. Yes, you need to color your drawing very beautifully. Now you need to color your drawing very beautifully. सारे बेबीज की ड्राइंग बहुत अच्छी है ना? सारे बेबीज बहुत अच्छा ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. वेरी नाइस. नाउ लेट मी सी एवरीवन इज कलरिंग एंड कलर करके कितनी और सुंदर हो जाएगी ड्राइंग. Yes, all of you have done a very good job today. Very nice. Yes, very good. Shivai, Adrika, Shambhavi, very nice. Aryanshi, very good. Beautiful chair. बहुत अच्छा कलर करा आपने. Very nice. Yes, everyone, color it and complete your drawing. Very nice, Samikshraj. Very nice, Samiksh. Now you need to complete this coloring at home. Those who have not completed in the class, you need to color. Yes, very nice, Divyanshi. You need to complete this coloring at home, right? And now all my babies stand up for the goodbye song, everyone. Yes, everyone, you need to stand up for the goodbye song.
Yes, stand up all of you. Stand up.